addiction comes from the Latin word addictus, which means slave. And what is the meaning of slave? Naukar or gulam, das. So we are all gulams and dases and slaves of internet. So some are mild level of slaves, some are moderate level of slaves, and some are severe level of slaves. But we all are slaves. So if you're getting a score between 31 to 100, consider yourself a slave of internet. Right? Apart from this, internet addiction हम कब होते हैं? जब किसी person का behavior जो होता है वो compulsive internet addiction. But phone क्यों बोला जा रहा है? Because do you think if you do not have internet in your phone, will that phone be of any use to you? Will you use it? No, you will not use it. Diagnose किया, ऐसे ही हवा में नहीं बनाया हमने क्वेश्चन. So when is any problem called a disorder? When it is affecting life also include job, occupation, marriage. So मेरा इंटरनेट. So अगर हमारे में देखा जाए, so internet addiction will have an impact on all the areas of our lives, and it will have an impact on all the areas of your life also. तब हम उसे एक psychological disorder बोल सकते हैं. So is it affecting your life in any way? Positively or negatively? There must be something positive to it, right? So can anybody tell me any positives of in using mobile or internet or tablet, anything? Anyone? Helps us to communicate with other people. Yes. From here. Any positive? We can study from internet. With being online, so even in your offline, even when you're sitting here with me in the session of internet addiction, some would be thinking about going and using mobile phones, taking steps to hide, being dishonest. Okay? So when asked क्या कर रहे हो, you would not want to tell us what you're doing on the internet. And last category is emotional symptoms: depression, dishonesty, feelings of euphoria, inability to prioritize, isolation, no sense of time, defensiveness, avoidance of work, agitation and mood swings, fear and loneliness, and procrastination. ये सारे emotional symptoms हैं इतने सारे. ठीक है? So these were the 3 categories. How many positives did we speak of? 10. So if I take an average of 10 in each of the categories, how many categories did I show you? 3. Physical, behavioral and emotional. So 3 में 10 plus 10 plus 10, how many? 30. And positives? 10 and 30 here. We have a problem, so we need a solution. So what is the solution? First you take breaks. जैसे you take breaks while studying ना, कि now I studied for 15 minutes, I take a break for 1 hour. That way you take breaks from internet. So for every 45 minutes of being online, after 15 minutes का you take a break. Next, free time में engage in activities that are not online activities. Go for offline activities. Go to play. Go and talk to somebody. Use a hobby of yours. Everybody has a hobby. You just need to search for it.